Hi everyone. Today we are going to read Pete the Cat Rocking in Our School Shoes. This is one of our favorite books to read in our class. I know we're not in school now, but I want everyone to get on their shoes and dance and sing and read along. You ready? Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pete is going to school today, and he sings this song. Let's sing it, everyone. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Which room has books everywhere? That's right, the library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He grabs his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Where do we go to eat our lunch? That's right, the lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. Let's sing, everyone. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Where do we see slides and swings? That's right, the playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, let's hear everyone sing and dance. Come on, you can do it. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow because it's all good. The end. We hope you liked this story and had fun. We'll see you again tomorrow, everyone. Bye.